President Donald Trump and Republicans in Congress were able to do something truly remarkable when they cut tax and got rid of the Obamacare mandate. If liberals weren't mad enough already, though, it seems that a few of them were left sickened after seeing what was in the background as the GOP gloated over their success and its picture perfect. The GOP during a speech about the tax cut bill, left President Donald Trump right, photo credit, Alex Wong, Getty Image News, Getty Image. For some reason, the left is complaining about the fact that the government just allowed Americans to keep more of their hard-earned money. Wanting to bash Trump for any reason, it seems that they can't even take a gift without throwing a jab or two at the president out of nothing more than spite. Too bad for them, it looks like the GOP doesn't really care about all the whining from the left and simply has just two words to say to the American people right now: you're welcome. Of course, Vice President Mike Pence had a few different words, but the sentiments were exactly the same. He branded the tax cut a gift to all Americans by proclaiming "Merry Christmas America" he stood in front of President Trump and other GOP members responsible for passing the bill. Even better yet, he made sure that the tanks landed where they should right at Trump's feet. Pence zipped praise on Trump for the president's leadership, boundless faith in the American people and for keeping your promise to see this Congress there. The largest tax cut in American history before Christmas of this year. Merry Christmas America, announced the vice president. I truly do believe, Mr. President, that this will be remembered. A pivotal moment in the life of our nation, he continued. As day when the Congress answered your call and made history. Source: Breitbart. Unfortunately for liberals, that isn't the only thing getting under their skin today, as they noticed something else. Come to find out, there was actually something lurking in the background the entire time while the GOP was gloating over their success, and it made liberals furious. Did you see it? Members of the GOP taking part in a speech after passing the tax cut bill. Photo credit, Alex Wong, Getty Image News, Getty Image. How about it? Members of the GOP taking part in a speech after passing the tax cut bill. Photo credit, Chip Somodevilla, Getty Image News, Getty Image. Starting to get the idea. Members of the GOP taking part in a speech after passing the tax cut bill. Photo credit, Alex Wong, Getty Image News, Getty Image. Everyone in the background was all smiles during the entire ordeal. Not only is the GOP happy that they were able to skirt the partisan hurdles put forth by Democrats, they succeeded in doing something really incredible for the people whom they represent. Of course, it doesn't take a genius to see why they would be smiling as the entire country should be doing the same right now. Sadly, political bias has become so profound that it is actually blinding people in this country to the fact that amazing things are happening here, some of which directly impact them personally and in a good way. Honestly, I don't know of a single person who would complain if he handed them $1 right now, but that's exactly what the left is doing to Trump. It's time for liberals to wake up, as they're literally complicit in their own destruction. At this point, not only are they people spitting in the face of someone giving them a gift, but they're actually trying to take down the leader of this country. Their country. How many people do you know who would want to crash a plane because they don't agree with the pilot's beliefs? The stupidity here is actually astounding. And the left is actively working on destroying what little credibility and relevance they have. It's really just as sad as it is pathetic. Share the story and leave a comment by clicking one of the buttons below. Follow us on Facebook at Mad World News.